Hi everyone and welcome back to Worklair channel. Here's Volodymyr Kransky, and in this episode I want to walk you through some interesting updates we made in June. Let's go. It's been a while again. These monthly updates contain a lot of bug fixes as we try to make everything perfect, and we will focus on the big updates or features in this video. So feature number one is upgraded team. So since we had the team version of the past for a long time, we've not been considering a lot of features that we really need. So right now we made the view a little bit congested so we can contain a lot of information. And once you need to walk through, let's say, some allocations for specific worker or team member, you just click on their name and you got into the model window, which shows you like which project they are part of. You can add new project, delete existing, or change the rates for them. In this example, there were fixed price worker, so you can't do that much. Like here, you can change the rates as is. You can also go to their profile. All the other features remain in place, but we have more. First of all, we have now collaborators tab here to see all of the collaborators from all of the projects of your organization in one place, which is pretty convenient feature. And in the same fashion, you can open their profile on the team member section and see what project they're part of as a client. This is one thing. And also you can have more sophisticated filters over here, as some team members can be shared by other organizations in Worklair or shared by your organization or being a part of the core team. This is a very convenient filter that lets anyone who works with the team tab know what's going on. There is also very convenient project filter setting, so it can help you see the team members allocated to specific project, or their status, whether they're pending the invitation or already part of the system. Also, if you go to specific project, now we have this team tab instead of collaborators, which reflects this new updated design for the team page. And it shows full members and collaborators just for this project, which is also might be very convenient. Some of our clients were waiting for that. I don't know why it took so long for us to get this feature, but now we are complete. Pretty much the same in the functionality here, like we can see the allocations to other projects if we go to the profile, but mostly importantly you can see who is on the project. And just a quick reference for anyone who didn't work with this feature, workload also shows any active distribution across the team for the current milestone. Now, the feature number two, which is very, very big, is somehow hidden for now, as it's still in development, and I'm gonna show the demo because we are doing very thorough production test because of the nature of this feature. So yeah, this feature is about connecting the bank accounts, so you can finally see all the credentials automatically pulled into the system and mixed together with the financial data we have to show you ultimate overview of all the expenses, income, and finally the net profit. So right now we took the first step, having the integration. We do this with a plate which supports a lot of different bank accounts and systems, such as Brax, for example, or Wise, and it pulls all the information that you can see there. And we can also do some automatic rules. Let me show it here. So we put some hard-coded rules in the beginning, since we have some data inside the Worklair, such as like if you use invoicing to the clients from the Worklair, we can match automatically any transaction and let everyone who needs to be notified that this invoice by client was paid. Or we can set up the reminder to the client if the invoice is not paid by the due date. This is all coming in the future. Right now we're just setting the foundation, and this initial automatic categorization of the transactions would help accountant work. So it's supposed that accountant going to be invited here. Just double check everything that it should be good, because this system will be designed very differently from what you see from QuickBooks or Xero, some other accounting systems. And by the way, we are doing integration with Xero right now to unlock other countries, because right now with Plate it's only USA. And we want to just make sure it's more human readable and easier to understand by the top management and owners of the organization, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you still using spreadsheets as we do. Still not there yet with this feature, but we are very close. And once we have all the transactions here, it will be semi-automatic and wouldn't require these manual actions of confirming or declining. It's in the perfect world going to be automatically auto-categorized based on some rules, and the accountant doesn't need to bother anyone. They just can come here, see all is good, because you're gonna see fresh information, so you're probably gonna look often here, and it's much easier because it's not foreign system like QuickBooks or Xero, and it's much easier also to make updates here, because it's not like something that's going to be final. Maybe accountant would want to adjust something, but you know that you have the most fresh information and it's integrated, showing you the real data. So these are two new updates. This is like a semi update, but I think in July we will finish that and get ready to use. Yeah, so other than that, we also updated the mobile application significantly. We have released both iOS and Android version by that date. Most of the changes include the opportunity to see task details from the mobile application. As you know, historically we've been focusing only on the chat in the mobile app. Now you can see some task information, and you can see also some roster of your teammates right inside of the app. We believe that the application shouldn't drag much of the attention from your team, because it's less productive to work on the smaller real estate, but nevertheless it should be good enough for you to get information and make decisions on the go. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy these updates. Please like this video, subscribe, and leave us any comments if you have any. Have a great day ahead, and see you later.